Hello everyone. Today in our grammar class we will learn pronoun and its kinds 2, that is part 2. So in our previous class we have learned what is pronoun and explanation of some kinds of pronoun. Yes or no? We have learned personal pronoun, possessive pronoun and reflexive pronoun. So let us check what are the pronoun, or you can say what are the kinds of pronoun that we are going to discuss today. So they are emphatic pronoun, interrogative pronoun and demonstrative pronoun. Okay, so let's begin with the emphatic pronoun. What is emphatic pronoun? It is used to emphasize upon the actions done by the subject. So what is emphatic pronoun? Emphatic pronoun is that type of pronoun which is used to emphasize upon the actions. That means upon the actions done by the subject. That means what? This type of pronoun gives more stress, gives more emphasis, more stress upon the actions that is done by the subject. Okay, whatever the subject in a sentence, whatever actions the subject do, it is given more emphasis, it is given more stress with the help of what? Emphatic pronoun. Okay. Number 2 point, it is also formed by adding self or selves to the personal pronoun. So how we can form emphatic pronoun? We can use self to the singular number, okay, and we can use selves to the plural number of personal pronoun. Okay, singular or plural noun, singular or plural number of a personal pronoun. So how we can form emphatic pronoun? We can form emphatic pronoun by adding self to singular number or selves to to plural number of the personal pronoun. Okay, so let us go with some examples. Okay, before that, where do we use emphatic pronoun in a sentence? In a sentence, it comes just after the personal pronoun. Okay, so where does it come? Where does the emphatic pronoun is placed in a sentence? Where we can write it? We can write it, or we can say that it comes just after the personal pronoun. So let us go to the example. He himself offered to help me. Okay, he himself offered to help me. That means, what is the subject here in this sentence? The subject here in this sentence is he. This is a subject. Himself is the emphatic pronoun. Okay, and offering to help me, that means offered to help me. That is what? Action. Okay, so here himself emphatic pronoun is used to give more emphasis upon the subject, upon the actions done by this subject. That means he himself is offering to help me. Okay, he is not saying anyone else to help me. Okay, but he is himself wanting to offer help to me. Okay, students, so this is emphatic pronoun. That means here in this sentence, in the first sentence, he is the subject, himself is the emphatic pronoun, and this emphatic pronoun is used to show or to give more stress upon the action that is done by this subject. Okay, let us go to another example. She herself come, sorry, it should have been come. There is a spelling mistake here. So she herself came to me asking for his address. Okay, so she herself came to me asking for his address. So what is the subject here? She. Okay, and herself here is the emphatic pronoun, and coming to me for asking for his address is the action. That means here the herself emphatic pronoun is used to give more stress upon the action that is done by this subject. Okay, I think you are clear what is emphatic pronoun. Emphatic pronoun is such type of a pronoun which gives more emphasis upon the actions that is done by the subject. Okay, and it is formed by adding self or selves to the personal pronoun, and in a sentence it comes just after the personal pronoun. Okay students, clear? So now let's go to the another kind of pronoun, that is what? Interrogative pronoun. So what is interrogative pronoun now? I think you have already learned in your previous classes that what is this uh, word interrogative, to interrogate or to ask something, yes or no? So the similarly here in this interrogative pronoun, here also it is used to ask some questions. Okay, here it is used to ask what? Some questions. But how can we use this interrogative pronoun to ask questions? We have to use what? WH words. Okay, with the help of this WH words. So what are the WH words? They are who, whom, whose, which, what, etc., where, etc. Okay, so these are the WH words where we have to use in order to ask a question. Okay, so let us go to the examples. Which of this address is yours? Okay, so here WH word is what? Which, yes or no? So which of these dresses is yours? Okay, among many dresses, there are many dresses. Among these dresses, which one is yours? So this WH word which is asking a question about your dress. Next comes whose house is this? So now here this WH word is used to ask about a house, that whose house is this? Okay, so we are using this WH word whose in the second sentence to ask a question. So I hope what is interrogative pronoun is clear to you, that it is used to ask questions with the help of what? With the help of WH words, that is who, whom, whose, which, what, where, etc. Okay, now comes the last one for today, that is demonstrative pronoun. Okay, so what is demonstrative pronoun? Demonstrative pronoun is used to point out or demonstrate persons or things. Okay, so what is demonstrative pronoun? It helps to, or it is used to point out or demonstrate persons or things. Let us go to the examples to understand it clear. This is my diary. Okay, this is my diary. So now here this is demonstrative pronoun. Okay, this here is demonstrative pronoun, and this is used here to give or to point out the thing, that is diary. It is demonstrating this diary more clearly. Okay, more clearly. How? By using my. This demonstrative pronoun is used here to give to point out about this diary more clearly, that this is whose diary? This is my diary. Okay, next example, that is their car. Okay, that is their car. So that demonstrative pronoun is used here to demonstrate about this car. How? By writing here their. Okay, this is their car. Whose car is this? This is their car. Okay, now that is used to demonstrate about this car or about their car more clearly. Okay, with the help of demonstrative pronoun we can point out or demonstrate about any person or things clearly. Okay students, so today what we have learned? We have learned about three kinds of pronoun again in our second class of grammar. That is, first one was emphatic pronoun. That is, emphatic pronoun is used to emphasize upon the actions done by the subject. Okay, and it is formed by adding self or selves to the personal pronoun, and in a sentence it comes just after the personal pronoun. Next we have learned interrogative pronoun. It is used to ask questions with the help of what words? WH words like who, whom, whose, which, what, where, etc. And in the last we have learned what? Demonstrative pronoun. And demonstrative pronoun is used to point out or demonstrate about any person or things. Okay, So I hope you are clear with today's class, and in our next class we will discuss about some other kinds of pronoun. Okay students, thank you very much.